Welcome to Mooneys Garage here on the Long Mile Road. Today we have this top spec Hyundai Ioniq 5, the Premium Plus model. It comes jam-packed with features, 360-degree parking sensors, you've got the 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, good boot space in the Ioniq 5, and it has the electric tailgate as well. You have massive room in the back as well for the adults. Heated seats, those seats also move back and forth as well, and you have USB connections there, and you also have your 12-volt charger in the back. You can run charge your laptops and stuff like that while driving. Electric programmable seats up front, and of course the leather interior. You've got the panoramic roof as well. It has the 73 kilowatt battery. You've also got these switches on the passenger seat to adjust the seats in the back and the passenger seat. You've got wireless phone charging, keyless entry. That center console moves back and forth as well. Of course, you've got your dual climate control with aircon. Sat nav is there. You've got your reverse parking camera, and you also have 360-degree parking cameras as well. You've got Bluetooth cruise control, autonomous cruise control. You've front and rear electric windows, electric adjustable and retractable wing mirrors. There's blind spot detection in them. You also have 43,100 kilometers on the clock. It's fully serviced here at Mooneys, and of course comes with the remainder of its Hyundai unlimited mileage warranty.